Hey guys, this morning it was nice warm 1 degree when I went out and started my truck, so I figured what better time than to make an actual furnace for the shop here rather than running the bullet heater. We've tried several furnaces out here, different styles, different things. None of them ever really did what we wanted them to do, so now I figure we'll just completely build one rather than getting one from a friend's, cousin's, brother's buddy who was throwing it out. So I'm going to pick this guy up. It's a little stove kit for a barrel stove. Got it from Menards. They're about 55 bucks. It's got the legs, the door, flue, dampener, all that jazz. And then got my 35-gallon drum here. Got that out of the scrap bin. I do anticipate putting the second barrel on top, making a heat exchanger and setting up a fan and everything, and maybe even throwing an oil burner on it at some point in time, but I'm going to start with one thing, otherwise I get overwhelmed and lose interest and walk away. So that's what we'll be working on today. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open this up and see what we got to get started here. What the hell's going on here? Goodness, they don't want to go anywhere. Okay, so there are our legs. There is our flue and our dampener. Comes with hardware. Oh, it's even got instructions. Won't be needing those. Believe it or not, I was actually born with all the instructions hardwired into my brain. It's kind of a neat thing that happens with guys. Alright, let's get started. Alrighty, so put this guy up here. Oh boy! I think it's a little frozen. I don't know what the hell is in it. Naturally, when you don't know what's in it, you use a plasma cutter to open it. So we'll do that. We'll go ahead and do a burn test to see, get at least a general idea of what exactly was in that barrel. kind of hot. Alright, yeah. I'm not too overly concerned. Won't ignite very well, so that tells me that there's not very much, if any, more combustible material in there than oil, such as gas or diesel or something. I mean, if there were any amounts of gas to make it flammable in there, that would take right off here. So I'm not concerned about vapors. If we do blow up, well, instant video, so everyone will know what the hell happened. I'll just go ahead and pull this guy right out of here for now. Those came out easier than I think they should have. Alright guys, if you ever do this, just remember, safety is only for people who are bad at their jobs. Perfect. I don't think I could have done that better myself. Alright, so I figure while that's thawing, I'll go ahead and make a little grate thing here. Go in there. Alright, so I had this strip of hard ox laying around here from a buddy of mine. He's a fabricator and lets me rummage through his scrap dumpster all the time. So, got this out of the scrap dumpster. We're going to go ahead and use this to make a ribbon. Fortunately, I only had one strip, so we're just going to go ahead and slice it right down the middle and then cut it into our chunks. Okay, so they didn't put any holes in this guy, so we'll have to drill those, I guess. Wish I would have known that before I drilled holes in the barrel, but such is life. Alrighty, we got her burning good now, cleaning all that nastiness out. Definitely think that it's going to need more air holes. I'll have to look into that. And yeah, I do plan to make a second barrel to go on top for a heat exchanger type deal. I got a blower fan to go with it, and like I said, maybe one day see about doing making an oil burner for it. That'll all be hopefully this winter, but not anytime in the next week. So I don't know, we'll see. So thanks guys. Like and subscribe, and you see anything that you recommend I improve on, don't be afraid to let me know. Life's a learning experience.